you're getting a first-hand view of the old springs. It's good looking. They've got it broken into little compartments, and then it just overflows as you go. This is the real deep end, so you don't see any kids down here. And I'll go up here and show you the other part. This will be my next venture once I find where I lost Debbie. What I plan on doing is coming down through here. And then you got a nice view down here of this whole stream area, which I think I can get down here without falling on the water. This will be my next venture. I'll be heading down that stream to see what's on the other side of that mountain. Looks like it's going to be quite an adventure, but it just beautifully flows. I noticed not many people going down there, but I'm going to see what it looks like.